instead of turning on laptop via keyboard. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll show you ways to shut down your laptop using the keyboard. Like these kinds of videos, we've got other related videos on the channel. Subscribe, hit like. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. All right, folks, the first method is pressing Alt plus F. I'll walk you through it step by step. Press Alt and hold it. Don't release. Now press F. This option will appear, guys. Alt F4, shut down. Since you don't want to shut down, press Tab until you reach shut down. See how it changes as I keep pressing? This here is the Tab key, folks. Some keyboards label it, others don't. Once there, use arrow keys to choose. Start, sleep, or shut down. Then just hit Enter on the keyboard. The arrow keys and Enter button. Leo, nothing's working. The computer's frozen. I can't do anything. Folks, if the computer's frozen, there's no way around it. I'm going to press the power button here. If you can't do anything because the computer's frozen, just press the power button. I'll do it now. Hold it until it shuts down. Now just press power again to turn it on. Which method worked for you? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care, God bless, and thanks.